Hey, Dustin Tibbetts with Passport to Wall Street, and we're talking about the trade of the week or the stock of the week that maybe you should take a look at. Today we're looking at United Parcel Service, or more commonly known as UPS. Now, UPS had their earnings come out, very great results on earnings, and they even commented that Amazon and online shopping in general continues to be the driving force behind their sales and overall revenue. So the stock naturally did well. We're going to take a look at the stock price here now. Here on the charts, you've got UPS. So look at that move. Now, the stock price shot up about 7% on that earnings news, but there's a few things that are really important here for technical traders that you're going to want to pay attention to. The first is this is the most convincing break above the 200 moving average in over a year. So the stock price, according to technical traders, is more than likely going to stay above that. That's basically the results of what you see out of this buying pressure on this day right here. Now, I would fully expect this to take a minor break, maybe for a day or a half a day as it pulls back or even opens lower. And so the trade of the week is to bet on this thing moving higher. There's a number of ways you can do it. This time, we're going to focus on just buying the stock because we have a stop loss in mind that's actually really easy to identify. So the stock's currently trading around 120. I would expect that to come back towards 119 at least, maybe if we're lucky a little bit more. And on that dip, on any dip, we would suggest a buy in there with the intention of finding a price target of 125. Now, why 125? What's the reasoning behind that? If you go all the way over here to last earnings gap down, that is what's obviously was a gap down, but traders look for stocks to fill gaps. Stocks always fill gaps, and traders know that. And so to fill that gap puts you at about 127. So I'm just suggesting that a target be a little shy of that, get out before everybody else does. And so the trade would be from around 119 up to 125. So a nice little profit there if we can get it up to that price. Now, as far as a stop to take a loss in the event that this trade doesn't work, it's very obvious, and to technical traders as well, that there's no need to hold this stock if it moves back below the 200-day moving average. I think you can even cheat that a little bit and use 115 if you like. So you got an even $4 stop there. It's a better risk to reward, or at least a little better. But if you really want to give it the room, right under the 200-day moving average is where I would expect everyone to admit that they're wrong on this trade and probably see a pretty significant reversal. Let's hope that doesn't happen. So the trade of the week is for UPS to buy on any sort of decline inside of this great move, and we're shooting for the 125 price target area, and all of this is based on strong earnings, a good result, good guidance going forward, a company that's basically just killing it, and the chart is starting to show that, of course, that they're killing it. And so the trade of the week, to play just the stock, play UPS in the most traditional format on the way up there. I hope you enjoy, and we'll be doing more of these, of course, and